move their lives to another level. You have something special.
Hello and welcome. Over the years, Les Brown's audio tapes, books, radio shows, and speeches have inspired millions around the world to improve the quality of all areas in their life. Here are some of Les Brown's rules for success. One of the things we must always be working on is achieving self-mastery. You must work on yourself continuously and never be satisfied. Always know that as you invest the time and effort, that's the greatest ability that human beings have above animals. A dog can't be anything but a dog. As a human being, you've got unlimited potential. You can put forth effort, and by concentrating on you and developing you, you can transform your life.
Make life worth living was more important.
No matter where you are right now. Stop settling. Most people settle. Many of us are settling for less than we actually deserve. We don't feel good about it, but we make it work in our minds. What have you settled for lately? Develop a health plan. You can't perform if you don't have good health. Your health is valuable. Develop a health plan, a plan that you will follow, because this is the only vehicle that you have to carry you through this experience we call life. Live life with energy and passion. You want to make a conscious effort to be lively. In life, you either sing hello or sing goodbye. You're either on your way or in the way. You want to smile. You want to be happy. You've got a lot to be thankful for. Monitor your inner conversations. The things that you say to yourself, you want to watch, and in watching, you want to take charge. Short circuit and override that conversation. 85% of what that conversation will tell you is negative.
Overcoming the negative conversation, that inner dialogue that's going on all the time.
It will tell you that you're tired when you're not. It will tell you you can't do it. It will fill you with fear. So you've got to watch that conversation. And when you find it going on, you've got to stand up and say, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to do it, and I'm not going to let you stop me. The biggest challenge in life that you will have is with you. Know why you're doing it.
What you want is more important than your fear.
It's important to know why you're doing it, because your mind will say, why bother? Why go through all this? This is too hard. Here's how you can override that. Write down 5 reasons why you deserve it. What meaning and value will it bring to your life? What's so different about you that you deserve this goal? When you write down those 5 reasons, and when you have those down moments, and you will have them, you can pull that out and read it. It will be your rod and your staff to comfort you through challenging moments, because you're going to have some. Life will knock you between the eyes. It'll catch you on the blind side and come out of nowhere. That's why it's important for you to work on yourself, listening to videos and podcasts, building yourself up, talking to yourself with power, feeling and building yourself up day in and day out.
I'm not trying to make this my home. And it was hard coming through the lobby. And sometimes they would laugh. There's a guy talking about becoming successful. And look at him. He's bathing in the bathroom upstairs on the 21st floor. He sleeps on the floor. Him and 2 other dreamers up there. Look at him. It was hard, ladies and gentlemen, coming to speak to people. And I was facing financial difficulties in my own life. I was behind on my bills and my dreams. And I'm saying to them, you can live your dream. It was hard, ladies and gentlemen. It was very difficult to pick myself up each day believing that I could do it. There were times that I doubted myself. I said, God, why is this happening to me? I'm just trying to take care of my children and my mother. I'm not trying to steal or rob from anybody. Why did this have to happen to me? It was very hard. And here's what I want to say to you. For those of you that have experienced some hardships, don't give up on your dream. No one could have convinced me by holding on, by continuing to push forward, by continuing to run toward my dream, that one day I would have my own talk show. It's a long shot, ladies and gentlemen, from Liberty City, an abandoned building on a floor, never knowing my mother or father. It's a long shot. Being here with you today in this dome in Atlanta, it's a long shot. No college training, labeled educable, mentally retarded, but I kept running toward my dream. But if you want to begin to move into your own personal greatness, if you want to begin to really enjoy a happy, successful, healthy life, you've got to be willing to go against the tide. You've got to be willing to harness your will and say, in spite of this, I'm in control here. I'm not going to let this get me down. I'm not going to let this destroy me. I'm coming back, and I'll be stronger and better because of it. You have got to make a declaration that this is what you stand for. You're standing up for your dreams. You're standing up for peace of mind. You're standing up for health. You want it, and you're going to go all out to have it. When you want to change, it's not easy. If it were in fact easy, everybody would do it. But if you're serious, you'll go all out to yes, not to stay, just to pass. It's just going through. The biggest challenge is to know what's happening. This is a part of this thing we call life. This too shall pass. I'm going to turn this situation around. I'm not going to sit back and moan and cry over what happened and what went wrong and who did what. I'm going to do something about this situation.
And I said, I am, sir. And he came from behind his desk and he pointed at me and said, don't you ever say that again. Someone's opinion of you does not have to become your reality. And he taught me 3 things. He said, if you want to become successful in life, young man, he said, number 1, you got to change your mindset. Number 2, practice OQP, only quality people. You earn within $2,000 to $3,000 of your closest friends. I found that out. I left all my broke friends. I said, y'all gotta go. Because I used to be so broke, I'd pass the bank and trip the alarm. And the 3rd thing he said, develop your communication skills, because once you open your mouth, you tell the world who you are. He said, those are 3 major things that you want to work on that will liberate you from living in Liberty City, living in poverty in Overtown. It will help to escape out of where you are right now, because I see you watching me and I know you want more. I can see you gotta be hungry.
Here's something else. Write this down. You're gonna fail your way to success. There are people who look promising. They're gonna disappoint you, hurt your feelings. There are people who should be there to encourage you, to motivate you. They're gonna be the #1 members of the discouragement club. Before things get better for you, they're gonna get real bad. When you have a dream, think it not strange that you'll face the fiery furnaces of this world. You will, not you might, you will have tribulations. How many of you know that's true? Raise your hands, please. Things will happen to you. And don't complain. Don't go around telling everybody. 80% don't care. 20% glad it's you. Suck it up and keep on prospecting and make it happen. Life is happening to everybody. See, in order to control your destiny, you've got to be a risk taker. You got to be willing to risk people talking about you. You got to be willing to risk someone saying no. Here's something else. Seek out positive information. I want you to write this down. My Facebook page, every day we post a positive message there.